Guys, bari ang atong kuan trabahoon karon na Mitsubishi Adventure. So shout out po guys, dito tayo sa Philippines. I'm here in the Philippines for actually vacation this channel. So mayroon tayong isang tutorial na how to change the front brake pads. So I already installed the brake pads. So papalitan natin yung brake pads front. So ito yung natin pinapalitan. Yan, brake pads. So manipis na. So ito yung Mitsubishi Adventure. So this is a service of Dix Channel. So sasakyan to ni Dix Channel yan. Brake pads front. How to change brake pads front. So pinapalitan natin to dahil sa hindi na maganda yung niya. So because of brake vibration, also kailangan palit ng kailangan need to preventive maintenance yan. So ito yung palit tayo. So it is genuine parts of made in Japan. So this one hindi na natin yung so palit. Actually first natin yung yung brake caliper i-press ya for kailangan exactly pag pag install diretso lang. So ito yan, palit tayo. So lagyan mo natin to ng counting grasa yan. Purpose of so hindi siya gumagalaw, hindi siya vibrate. Yan ito. Ayan. Yung kanina hindi natin kanina yung video actually hindi nag ng busina. So ni Dix Channel doon para sa ground. Yan na. Yan. Palit tayo ng So wala tayong gloves ito kasi dito tayo sa Pilipinas. Okay. So then, how to install the brake pads. Well, actually this is a Mitsubishi Adventure. Oh. Kasawan?
Bye. Ganyan ba? Shopee.
Nay, kuha ni Rodjelo. Meng. Kadet sabay So ito yung pinalitan natin ng brake pads. Ano na ipokaw sabay. Okay na. Tinanggal natin yung So solve. Pinalitan na bagong brake pads. So ito yung how to install brake pads Pro Adventure. Yan. Okay. So finish already. So brake pads front install. So this is the channel. Thank you very much for your always support.